Let's explore draft mode in Eloquens, your quality control center for AI-generated responses. Draft mode enables a thorough review of AI responses before sending, perfect for new workflows or refining email persona settings. Navigate to Conversations and locate the draft indicator. Watch as we open a draft conversation. Review the AI response. Need to make changes? Make real-time edits in the draft editor. Let me give you a pro tip. Focus on tone alignment and accuracy. Need a fresh perspective? Click Regenerate for a new draft. Give a prompt to revise the content. Make sure it aligns with your tone. If you like the revised content, click Apply. Make additional edits to best fit your needs. When your draft is ready and you are satisfied, click Save. If you want to send it, click Send to deliver. Watch status updates instantly.